Hey everyone, welcome to This Dude Bakes. So I was tagged by Dolores, who has the YouTube channel The Baking Diva, to do this crazy food tag. So Dolores, I'm gonna go ahead and participate in this. I appreciate you tagging me and encouraging people to check out my channel and hit the subscribe button. So what I've basically done is copied and pasted the questions from your description, Dolores, and I'm going to go ahead and read them off now. So, what food would you eat every day? For me, it would be pizza. What is your favorite restaurant? It's one called Brookfield's. I don't know how many they have, but it's right around the corner from us. It's a chain. I would say it's like an upscale Denny's. What city has the best food you ever had? For me, it's Fairbanks, Alaska. I spent 8 years there, and there were some places there that had some really good food. What do you get on your sub? For me, it's usually turkey and different kinds of cheeses and all kinds of vegetables, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles. But I'm the same with you, Dolores. I do not like the hot peppers on my subs. What do you get on your pizza? I generally like just cheese or cheese and veggies like green peppers, onions, that sort of thing. Is there a food that you always wanted to try? For me, I don't have one in mind. Tell me about your worst restaurant experience. I haven't had too many bad experiences with the food in restaurants. Most people have dealt with hair in the food every once in a while. I would say my worst would be a time that I went to a restaurant and the restrooms were really bad, and that restaurant shall remain nameless. Who's the better cook, your mom or your dad? Definitely my mom. What is the one food you just fail at making? Can't really think of anything that I just completely fail at making. I can think of a lot of foods I haven't tried to make yet because I think I might fail at making them, but not one that I just absolutely fail at all the time. What is your least favorite food? I would say those would be like lima beans, peas, black-eyed peas. Raw or cooked vegetables, for me it depends very much on what you're eating the vegetables with, as far as whether I like them raw or cooked. How do you like your steak? Don't really eat too much steak anymore, but back when I did, I would say it's well done. Anytime my wife cooks a steak for herself and it's looking more on the rare side, I give her a hard time. There was one time I even joked, and I looked at her steak and I said, "Did you see that?" And she's like, "What?" I said, "I just saw a tail flop up and try to hit, you know, like when cows flop their tails up to try to hit the flies off the back of their body." Needless to say, she was pissed off at me when I made that joke. Do you like cooking or baking better? Hands down, baking. This dude bakes. Baking. What's your favorite fast food restaurant? I would say right now it's Jack in the Box, and that's mainly because I like their seasoned curly fries. Name a restaurant that you wish was closer to you. Red Robin. What is your ultimate favorite dessert? For me, even with all the things that I've baked throughout the years, it's always been ice cream. I always love ice cream. Let me see here. What is the first food that comes to your mind right now? Green smoothie, because I just had one not long ago. Do you have any weird food habits? Sometimes people think it's weird when I have several items on my plate, where I'll pick the thing that I like the least out of all those items. I'll eat all that. Then my next least favorite on the plate, I'll eat all of that item all the way till I get to the item that I like the best, and I'll eat that last. The other thing that some people might consider a weird food habit is when I'm being really strict on my diet. Sometimes I'll eat even 3 salads a day, which means I'll eat salad for breakfast sometimes. What's one food you will never try? I don't think I will ever try oxtail. See those served at soul food restaurants sometimes? Don't think I'll ever try it. Do you know your best friend's favorite food? I would say it's steak. What is the best thing that your mom makes? It's a toss-up between Italian meat pie and her homemade pizza. What is your favorite style of eggs? Scrambled, poached, boiled over easy, sunny side up? I would say it's scrambled for me. Name your favorite restaurant that is closed down. That was a place called Jeffrey's in Fairbanks, Alaska. They had great food years ago when I lived there. Very nice place, very good comfort food, huge helpings, but it's no longer there. Do you like your toast light or dark? I like mine light for sure. Do you like spicy food? No. Do you like seafood? Absolutely not. I'm allergic to seafood, not just shellfish, but shellfish, freshwater fish, all kind of fish. What is the first food that comes to mind right now that is green? I would say kale, because I just had it in that green smoothie. So that's it for all the questions that I saw in Dolores' description. Please check out Dolores at the channel called the Baking Diva. And the 2 people that I'm going to tag, the 2 channels I'm going to tag, is one is called, I believe it's UT Cooking. It's spelled Y-O-U-T-I Cooking, and that's Anna who does those videos. And the other channel is Bake It with Love, done by Angela. So if you would please go check those channels out and show them some love, and check their videos out and give them some likes and comments and hit the subscription button. That would be good for them too. And Anna at UT Cooking and Angela at Bake It with Love, I hope you take me up on this challenge and do the crazy food tag thing. So that's it for me. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you soon with another video.